Hey everybody, TR again from T-Man Performance. Sierra asked me to do a video, an installation video for the way that we do our head breathers into our oil tank. And I'm gonna just kind of go through this with you, show you the way that I do it on all the in-house builds, and it's a really clean setup. It makes for a really nice clean combustion chamber. On all the in-house builds, first thing we do is we drop our oil tanks and flush them and clean them and everything. That's a must in my opinion. So, well, while we've got the oil tank or the oil pan off, we come in here. Now, I'm gonna call this the transmission housing, but this is your transmission housing plus oil pan. And right here, you can see these two fittings, and if you reach up underneath here, this is the bottom of your actual oil pan. This ridge here is the highest point. So what I do is I come in here and I drill 2 holes and tap them for 1/8 inch pipe so that I can install these fittings. Now the secret is make sure you get them far enough apart. This is a 2-piece fitting, but you wanna make sure that you get them far enough apart so they'll spin in. Okay, so then once that's all done, then how this works is on all the T-Man heads that you get, what this is a fitting that comes off of your head breather instead of coming out the bolt. So the way this is designed to do, the hoses basically bolt onto here, and then they'll run along the bottom of the frame chassis. As you can see here, this is the ends, and they go on here. And then I route these real nicely and tie them up, and they come down. They come down the back of the chassis here, and then these 2 hoses basically hook right onto these fittings here, like so. And then once you put your oil tank or your oil pan back on, then all that mist that used to blow into your intake tract, blow into your air cleaner, that would saturate your air cleaner, that is no longer happening. That is basically returning back and going right back into the oil tank. Now you do have to run solid bolts in your air cleaner, but we'll put all the tools and everything that is needed. We sell these kits along with the heads, breathers, and everything. Okay. Now the one thing that's important when you do it this way, you have to have a oil pan vent line kit on your motorcycle. Now we recommend either the T-Man Performance one. There's other ones out there that you can use, the Fueling, the Trass, and then the A1. Those will all work. And then how we recommend that is after you get those installed, we recommend running that hose back to our catch can or anything that might be coming out of there. So it just cleans up that whole mess that you get sometimes on your motorcycle in your air cleaner, and it makes for a real nice clean setup. So look this all over. If there's any questions, Sierra or Brandon can help you, or if you need to talk to me, I'll be more than happy to speak with you. Thank you very much.